We welcome you to one of the great football cities anywhere in the world, and these two sides are certainly two of the biggest in Spain, with fans who really care. Stay tuned, we'll bring you all the action from the Metropolitano as Atletico take on Real Madrid. In these parts, it is known simply as El Derby. Atletico Madrid against Real Madrid, and they're about to meet here at the Wanda Metropolitano. I'm Derek Ray, and sitting alongside me, ready to provide expert analysis, is Stuart Robson. Stuart, thoroughly looking forward to this one.
Well, Derek, this has certainly been a feisty derby in recent years, and there's also been a massive contrast in playing styles. But these are two very good teams who should put on a good show today.
Looking forward to this tremendously. Atletico Madrid get things started. And here are the starters for Atletico. Jan Oblak stands between the posts. Stefan Savic plays with Jose Maria Jimenez in the centre of defence. And the strike partnership, Antoine Griezmann
Derek,
plays...
big moment this.
And what a way to silence the crowd!
Well, let's see this again. This is counter-attacking football at its very best. And there's certainly no doubt about the finish. He really hits it with power and accuracy. Nothing the keeper can do about that.
Back in action then. Let's see if Atletico, having conceded, can wipe out that last goal. Excellent refereeing. And will it be the leveller? And a goal! An end-to-end game, and they weren't behind for long.
Well, here it is again. The through ball is absolutely inch perfect, and the finish is really good. Low and hard beyond the goalkeeper. It's a lovely goal all round.
So back underway. One goal apiece here. Real might threaten on the flank. Can they take the lead? Well, just fractionally wide. Good strike. Good-looking move, this. Definitely look as though they want to make this move count. And it's in! They're back in front! Stunning scenes here!
Well, here's the replay. Watch how he goes past his man with such ease, and it's just a change of pace. And he makes the finish look so easy. What a good goal that is.
Well, having conceded, let's find out if Atletico can come up with an articulate response. Went in strongly, decisively. Throw-ins given. Showing a real will to win the ball. Under pressure here. Good work to win it back high up the pitch. Not a particularly strong chance. Oh, he saved it!
Well, excellent from the keeper. That's a really top-class save.
Who can he pick out? Not really the ideal clearance. Well, threat averted. Carrasco. A good and fair challenge. Was it the denial of a clear goal-scoring opportunity? If so, he's off. And in the refereeing trade, they call it dogzo, denial of a goal-scoring opportunity.
Well, the referee's got that right. He saved a possible goal there, but at a cost.
It is an Atletico substitution. And that was a free kick hit with genuine authority.
Well, you have to say that's a really good strike. Had that been on top, the keeper might have had a problem.
He's in control of the situation. Suarez. An effective challenge. Can they do something positive on the counter-attack? Defenders need to cover. Well, it looked highly promising, but it came to nothing in the end. Being pressed hard. And Atletico get the advantage from the referee. Well, they've given him too much space. Really high-class goalkeeping from Courtois. Nicely blocked. He's in with a chance. And there it is! A two-goal cushion now. And they just need to keep the concentration.
Well, let's look at this again, Derek, because the transition when the ball changes hands is so quick. But you do have to ask questions of the keeper. Could he have done better here? I think so. You can't be beaten at your near post like that.
So back under. And he might be through here. Tenacious tackling. Excellent defending there. De Paul. Well, they're on the scent of something positive. Oh, in with a chance. Oh, in it goes. Now he has his hat-trick. A special moment for him.
Well, here's the replay. Watch how he goes past his man with such ease, and it's just a change of pace. And there's certainly no doubt about the finish. He really hits it with power and accuracy. Nothing the keeper can do about that.
Well, on they go again, and Real very much in control. The referee has decided there will be just 1 minute of added time. And looking towards the back post. Another goal! The lead grows to 4 now. A rampant display.
Well, here's the replay, and it all starts off with that cross into the box, just begging for a teammate to get on the end of it. And it's a comfortable finish in the end, which is made to look so easy. It's a lovely goal.
Well, the ball moving again, and Real very much in charge of this one. Well, that is how to run at defenders. Oh, the referee has given it. Penalty it is. Well, some might say he's been fortunate to avoid being shown the card.
Well, I like that from the referee. Just because it's a penalty doesn't mean it's a yellow card. I think he's got it right.
And he slots it home with confidence.
Well, as you can see from the replay, the keeper tries to read the penalty, but he's sent the wrong way, and it ends up looking a very easy finish.
Long way out. Well, the goalkeeper's life wasn't made quite as difficult as might have been the case. Suarez. Advantage Atletico. Koke. Excellent vision. And it might be. Superb save.
Well, he should score, of course, but that's a brilliant save.
Benzema. Can he find someone at the far post? A goal! And I'll tell you what, on this sort of form, very few would lay a glove on them.
Well, here it is again, and it's all about the pace on the counter-attack. They were so quick to break out from their defensive positions. And then what a great finish as well. Good connection with the ball, leaving the keeper with little chance. It's a great goal.
Atletico have it once again. Can't argue with that little move. Oh, there it is! It's one goal after another, and it speaks to the quality of that performance.
Well, here we can see it again. Look at the way he glides past the defender to create space for himself. But I think the keeper has made a mistake here. While it's a decent finish, it should go in at that near post.
The ball rolling again in what has been an utterly one-sided match. It is to be a throw-in. And here's a change now for Atletico. Karim Benzema. Rodrigo. Decent acreage for Real Madrid to run into. Through ball just overdone. Pretty routine there for the goalkeeper. Savic. On to Suarez. And return to Suarez. Marcos Llorente. Atletico get the free kick decision their way. And fired from the flank into the area. It comes to nothing in the end. Superb block. Who can they pick out? No trouble at all as far as the keeper was concerned. He's enjoying space. Plenty of players waiting in the middle. A poor cross, all things considered. Renan Lodi. Lamar. And intercepting it. 10 minutes to go then. And he would have been disappointed had he spilled that one. Lamar. Carrasco now. Might be able to set up the chance. And given the defender's touch, the referee says corner. It is an Atletico substitution. Played over. Not the best clearance. But a time for calm on the ball. Well, let's see what they have in store for them on the break. Well, nothing comes of it. It looked promising. Going about his defensive business with a minimum of fuss. The referee has decided that 2 additional minutes are in order. Just not looking confident in possession. And there it is, the full-time whistle. It's advantage Real Madrid going into the return leg. The one man who's been terrific up to... Excellent referee.